Well, hey guys, and I just walked into the Game Point Arcade. Now, this Game Point Arcade is located over at the All-Star Sports Resort. Now, there are 3 All-Star resorts, so each one of them has their own little arcade. And for the most part, they're all spaced out about the same. The rooms are all about the same size. You've got a pretty good variety throughout the whole thing, so you're not going to get bored. So if you can't get from one to the other, at least they're pretty much the same, so you're not going to really be missing out. Now, we always recommend, if you guys are going into Disney for any reason, you know, jump in and out of the different resorts and check out the amenities, including the arcades. Now, if you guys have been over to the Wilderness Lodge, their arcade is like a lot smaller than this one, so this is actually one of the better ones to come to. Another one we would recommend would be over at the Contemporary Resort. That's got a lot of space to it. But as you're going in and out of the different resorts, you're going to find that whatever room size they have is what they're going to fill up. The Boardwalk has a real tiny arcade, so if you guys are able to get to some of these and check them all out, this is actually one of the bigger ones. And like I said, you can either come here at the All-Star Sports, the All-Star Music, and the All-Star Movies, and you're going to have a pretty good variety to choose from. They're going to have usually the same thing with the motorcycles. They're going to have the chairs for relaxing and stuff like that. They got the pinball machines, and they're also going to have the recharging stations where you guys get a little credit card. You'll recharge so much money onto it and be able to play with all the different games. And as you start running out of money, you can always add more money to the card. Here's a look around. You got the Nerf one. That's one of my favorites. I like the Nerf games. But here's some more looking around once again. But this is a nice size arcade. If you guys are looking for one, we would recommend any of the All-Star ones. Some of the other resorts do have smaller ones, but the All-Stars are pretty good. And there's your recharging station. So if you guys want to buy a card and stuff, recharge it, that's it. But here is the All-Star Sports Resort arcade, guys. We'll see you on the next one.